What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's Mike from Rockler Woodworks by Mike. Mike. Don't y'all forget me. It's Mike. Hey, look, today I'm going to try something a little different. We're going to review the Rockler Glue Bottle Applicator Kit. I've got good reviews out of it. I've seen bad reviews out of it. But today I'm going to give you mine. Because ultimately, I'm out there to help the DIY woodworker to get better. So this is what we're reviewing today. The Rockler Glue Bottle Applicator Kit. We gonna find out if this baby any good. It's supposed to attach to other bottles and everything. It comes with little nozzles, piece to keep you down the center of the wood. But let's find out what it's all about, man. Look, Rockler didn't send me this. I paid for it out of my pocket. So we're gonna find out what it's all about. We're gonna actually use it on some boards I'm gluing up for a charcuterie board. So hey, one last thing. If you like my content, how about doing me a favor? It ain't that hard to give me a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, and a share, and even a comment. Man, that'd be awesome. I'll respond to you immediately. So do me a favor, hit that button. Let's see what we can find out about this thing today, because they didn't send it to me like I said. Paid for it out of my own pocket. We're going to find out if this joker's any good or not. Let's see if this puppy works. This is Mike from Rockler Woodworks. Let's get to the video. Here, what I want to show you is the different applications that comes with the Rockler bottle glue up kit. So here I'm installing a funnel, and I'm using Tight Bond 3 because it is a charcuterie board, so it could end up, getting washed, wet, and everything else. So you want to use a waterproof glue here. So I fill it up. Like I said, it's an 8-ounce bottle. And what I like here is the fact that you can see through the bottle to know exactly how full you are. The funnel screws on, so it's real easy to take on and off with no mess. So that's a good thing. So, and like I said, you can see it through the bottle right here. Here I put the center jig cap on just to show you. It stays pretty good in the center of it. I like that, Rockler. Great job. Look, see there? And here I'll put the brush cap on and just brush it out. And if you need a little bit more glue on there, you just squeeze it out. Good job. All right, here, let's put the different tips to it. Here's the brush, and it worked pretty well. I switched up and put the roller on it just to see if it would roll out after that. But honestly, you just put the roller on and take that little red clip out so you can get more glue out. But it rolls out pretty good. So very smooth. I like it. It's a waste piece of wood, but look at there. I mean, big thumbs up, Rockler. Great job on this. I like that. So nice job on that. You can see the glue up right there. But the only thing I didn't like is that piece right there, the roller, you could over tighten it and it would pop off. So, I didn't like that. But here's the flat tip that you could put on and just roll it out if you want to. But overall, I'm very impressed. I would have to give Rockler a 9 out of 10 on this. As long as the cleanup goes well, we shall see. But hey, it's Mike from Rockler Woodwork. Look at me in the corner. All right, guys. So, good job. I'm back. But Rockler, well done. I might have to give you a thumbs up on that. Cleanup was easy. That was the biggest complaint. But look, guys, if you're using a paint gun, a paintbrush, or a stain, or anything, you got to clean up your tools. You got to clean up the things you're using. It took me maybe 2 minutes to clean it up after the glue had dried. A little bit of hot water, a little bit of rag, and I was done. And most of it peeled right off. So I don't see the problem on that. But hey, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 just because this piece, when you screwed it on, when you tried to tighten it, it would pop off. So that's the only thing, but you don't really need to tighten it that far. So, but look here. I'm going to step around. Look at that. Clean as a whistle, boy. Clean as a whistle. Clean, baby, clean. I'm telling you. Rockler, well done. This is Armor Woodworks by Mike. 9 out of 10 to you, brother. Hey, don't forget what I say. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share, and a thumbs up, baby. Hey, you DIY woodworkers out there, go get it done. Last thing, most important thing, Jesus loves you guys. Always and forever. Jesus loves you.